Another way to invest in the world of digital assets. You don't have to concentrate on specific cryptocurrencies to gain exposure to this market. Options for investors who are interested in the cryptocurrency trend but do not want to invest in individual names such as Bitcoin are expanding. In the episode of the Virtual Opportunities Show, which aired on December 21, 2021, full contributors Asit Sharma and Dimitri Kalogeropoulos highlight another investment opportunity that focuses on blockchain infrastructure projects. 10 stocks we prefer over Bitcoin. It can pay to listen when our award-winning analyst team has a stock tip. After all, the Motley Fool Stock Advisor newsletter, which they have been running for over a decade, has tripled the market. They've just revealed their picks for the top 10 stocks for investors to buy right now. And Bitcoin was not among them. Yes, they believe these 10 stocks are even better buys. Asit Sharma says, this was posted on CoinDesk.com. Polkadot Go Live, capping years-long tech build for ambitious blockchain project, the headline reads. Now, I believe this is part of what Dimitri was referring to. You're either spending a lot of time in this space to understand all of the terminology and various investment opportunities, or you're learning about it slowly. That's the title, which I probably wouldn't have understood even a few months ago, let alone a year or two ago, but bear with me as I explain. Polkadot is essentially a technology that underpins and connects various blockchains. It has a technology called a parachain, which essentially means that you build a network that runs alongside a main network so that it can differ from the characteristics of the primary blockchain while remaining compatible and harmonious. In some ways, this resolves the issue of one blockchain technology versus another. Is Ethereum's technology better than Solana's? These are big picture battles, but there is plenty of room in the digital asset realm for different versions of blockchain technologies to coexist. They've basically been working on 5 of these parallel networks, or parachains. Acola, Moonbeam, Parallel Finance, Astar, spelled ASTAR, and Clover are their names. That last name, Dimitri, I think is a difficult one because Starbucks purchased a really great small coffee company that had designed a super advanced coffee machine with lots of variable controls. I believe they purchased it to eliminate their competitor, but that is known as a Clover. Clovers can still be ordered at various larger Starbucks around the world, as well as at financial institutions, so I'm not sure why they chose such a common name that already has different trademarks and usages associated with it. Nonetheless, these are really interesting names, and according to this article, the parachains are really centered on DeFi, or decentralized finance investments and loans. I wanted to talk about this just to show you an example of the innovation going on in the space and to show you that it doesn't have to be a winner-take-all environment. You are not required to attempt to answer this massive question. Will Bitcoin eventually be the most valuable digital asset, or will Ethereum be the most valuable digital asset, or will Cardano or Solana become mainstream assets in which everyone wants to invest? I believe that as time passes, there will be opportunities to diversify into a variety of different blockchain technologies and digital assets that will endure. I believe that some of these technologies are creating investable ecosystems. They're attracting capital, as you mentioned, Dimitri, as well as enthusiastic first adopters and engineers, and as they build, they're also becoming more aware of the various types of regulation that will be imposed at some point. Some of the newer technologies are attempting to design themselves in such a way that they will continue to function even if the big hammer falls. In this first article that I wanted to share, I guess my message is very similar to yours. There is a lot to learn, but you can take your time. My small addition to yours is that it is not a winner-take-all situation. If there is one aspect of the digital asset world that piques your interest as an investor, say, decentralized finance, then something like a Polkadot is for you, and there are other companies blazing trails in decentralized finance. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.